Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Hey folks, I've got a 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner. This one is special. A two-owner, 52,000 actual mile car, original metal, numbers match 383, numbers match 4-speed, factory colors. Go to volocars.com, that's where you'll find the pricing. All the specs will be listed there, photos top to bottom, and we have a few hundred collector cars for sale on our website, so visit volocars.com. Let me take you for a spin. This car, like I said, claimed to be all original metal. Based on my shop's inspection, my inspection, I agree with that statement. It's original metal and it's clean and straight. All the gaps are right on the money. Super nice, fits nice. If you watch my videos, you know I love it when a door shuts like that, and I purposely put the windows up so you can see, even with the windows up, it just clicks shut. There's a difference in low mile cars and restored cars. It was repainted one time. It is the factory red color with a factory painted roof. This is not a vinyl top. This is a painted white roof. That's how this car was born. That's a really rare thing to see. So the paint shows really well. It's bright, shiny. Out on a sunny day, it's gorgeous. If you've got like a body man's eye, it's got a little bit of what we call orange peel. It could use a wet sand and a buff to make it like glass. But it's a beautiful, bright, shiny paint job. I'm looking down the sides of this thing. It's like a mirror. The doors are flush. They don't stick out. The gap's right on the money, just like the other side. This is sweet. That's nice. Dressed up with some, vintage style chrome Cragar wheels, probably 15-inch. Some good meaty size BF Goodrich tires. The grill is nice. Bumper's real shiny. Original paint inside here. The VIN number matches on the core support. It's got the original fender tag here. And again, this has never even been repainted. That's the original red paint. VIN number match 383. It does have an Edelbrock intake and headers. The originals are in the trunk. They go with the car. It's also got a dual feed Holley. I don't have the original carburetor. It's got the Roadrunner horn. The glass is all real clear. There is one stone chip right up here, but it's very clear. This is clear. Front seat was reupholstered. The rest of the interior is super nice original. This is original. And look how nice it is. The dash is in excellent shape. Original carpets are really nice. It has some embroidered Roadrunner floor mats. There's the original manifolds I talked about. Got a jack, a spare, a mat, all clean, solid trunk. Taillights are beautiful. They're not pitted. The bumper is nice and shiny. Does have a vintage, probably put in years ago, sun tachometer on the column, and it's got a sun oil pressure gauge. They match, mounted on the dash here. Both those are removable. They are vintage. I'd leave them. I think they're kind of cool. Other than that, the lenses, the knobs, the dash pad, all excellent. Headliner, visors, mirror are excellent. The dome light works. Of course, the beep beep works. I'm going to start this thing up for you. It's got the right original shifter for a bench seat car. I've got a copy of the original title. It was a one owner most of its life. The second owner, I think, had it the last 8 or 10 years. Again, go to the website and I'll have all the specs. Everything that I know about it will be written about on our website. Also on our website, that's where you'll find all the ways to contact us. I have a whole staff of people, and their job is to help you buy your dream car. We have shipping, we have financing. You can put this car anywhere in the world, low monthly rates. Any questions or concerns you have, let us know. That's what we're here to do. That's what their job is. Everything fits beautifully. I keep saying that, but underneath is original, so it's not painted and glossy or show quality, but it's clean original. The floors and frame rails are dry as a bone, dry as a chalkboard under there. Even underneath here, this is all original metal, no rust, not even a little square patch welded in. It's original clean metal. A nice sounding exhaust. The 4-speed is VIN number matched to the car. It is the original motor and trim this car was born with. Colors really make it. The red with the white inside and the roof. Just, it's got a lot going for it. It's a fantastic car. If you appreciate a low-mile original car, you know that's hard to find in a muscle car. You can find it in Grandma's grocery getter. You don't find a Roadrunner that got parked and hardly driven. So visit volocars.com to get all the information. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, so that's the best way to see the videos first as they come out. Thanks for your time. Talk to you soon.